guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Hunty, it's your girl Hunter, and I'm back with another video. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Hey guys, how's it going? Shout out to all my loyal subscribers and just welcome to the family. Guys, peep my nails. I did them myself. I feel so proud of myself because we're trying to save a coin here and there, and I did them myself, so I'm pretty proud of myself. But anyways, we're just gonna jump into this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys my daily skincare routine and just the basic products that I use. So we're just gonna jump straight into this video. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. So of course, like always, my Dermalogica cleansing gel. I love this stuff. I've been using this stuff since probably the end of summertime. Around July, I started using these products and it has been amazing. It's really good with my skin type because I have really sensitive skin, so I have to be careful with what I use on my face because I have used products before that have given me hives, just all kinds of stuff. But this is a gentle cleanser in my opinion, and it has no fragrance, so if you don't like fragrance going on your face, this is perfect. So I highly recommend this skincare product. Of course, I actually need to get more because I'm running out. But yeah, so I just like to, give myself a good little cleanse. Then I'm just gonna dab off the remaining product that is on my face with a clean washcloth with cold water. Cold water is good for your face. So yeah, that's pretty much what we do. So next I'm going in with my Dermalogica charcoal mask. So I use this once a week. Once a week I use this. It's a good exfoliating mask. So this is what I use to exfoliate my face. So again, like I said, I really recommend using this product only once a week because it is it's kind of strong on my face. If I leave it on my face for too long, my face will be really red. So you just have to go with, what works best for your skin because everyone's skin is different. But I really like this mask because I really feel like it leaves my skin feeling super clean, moisturized, and hydrated. So I really recommend this. This is another Dermalogica product that I really like. Another Dermalogica product that I really like, they have this this serum for like a spot serum. So I was using that on my face when I was dealing with some acne scarring and stuff like that. So that's another product I love, but I actually ran out, so I haven't been using it. But guys, peep my candles. So when Bath & Body Works were having their annual sale, you guys know that I jumped onto my computer and I literally was fiending over all these candles, but I only bought 3, but they're my favorite. Oh my goodness, I love burning candles. If you come in, I always have a candle burning. When I go to take a shower, candles burning. When I'm just sitting in my room, a candle will be burning. I love candles so much. Candles are the key to my heart. So if you're watching this and you want to, give me a gift or something, a candle is a key to my heart. But yeah, guys, this aromatherapy stress relief one is absolutely my favorite candle in the world. It smells so nice, and I just feel like it's such a calming candle. So I just not turned it on. I just, you guys know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, so it's about time I take this mask off. So I'm gently just dabbing my face with a nice cold washcloth, trying to get this mask off. But yeah, my skin feels super nice and refreshed, so I'm just fanning my face to kind of have my face dry out. Now I'm going in with the Ordinary niacinamide. I might have pronounced that wrong, but you guys know what I mean. I really like this serum. I feel like it's been helping with some of my problem areas. I have noticed a significant difference in my skin and some of my acne scarring and just any blemishes that I have on my face. It has been helping a lot. And now I'm going in with my Gusha. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that correctly. I've been seeing a lot of people use this to help kind of sculpt their face and lift their face, so I just started using this. I got this from the dollar store, guys. Maybe one day I'll invest in one that's a little bit more expensive and better quality, but for the most part I feel like it does the job. When I use this, my face gets red. It reminds me of going to the trainers and them rolling your skin out. Anyways, that's athletic talk. But now I'm going with my SPF. Sunscreen is so important. I'm not perfect, and sometimes I forget. I'll walk out of the house with no sunscreen, but for the most part every day I put sunscreen on. Everyone should put sunscreen on. It doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. Everybody needs to wear sunscreen because the UV, the sun is out, so wear your sunscreen, period. put your sunscreen on every single day. Trust me, you do not want to be old and wrinkly, so put that sunscreen on. Now I'm going in with my Skin Fuse hydrating moisturizer. I really like this stuff. I've only been using it for probably like about a month maybe, but I feel like it leaves my skin feeling really hydrated. All these products together that I use, my skin feels so nice afterwards. I feel like I've finally found the right combination of skincare products that really work for my skin, which is awesome and a great feeling because it has taken me a long time to figure out what works with my skin and what doesn't. So just my advice, trial and error, try new things out, and you'll find what works for you. But thank you guys so much for tuning into my YouTube video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys really like this video or not, and I will see you guys in my next video.